Hello, and now we are reviewing the Temu inflatable chicken. I have a video straight after this to show you what it's like. Now, bear in mind, this cost me £16, right? It is an amazing bit of kit. Also, you can use batteries or you can plug it into a power bank. I've chose to plug mine into a power bank. So much easier, so much more eco-friendly. Now, the only thing is, it's a little bit noisy because it's running on a fan, but it looks the business. Check out this video now to see what you think. Oh, don't forget, like and subscribe, people. I am Chicken Guy, and I must go to car. Chicken wants some food. Nom 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 nom. Chicken wants drink. Nom 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 nom. Chicken is done. Chicken is back.